Chapter 6 The Dark Knight Rise. Uh-oh, he's gonna jump on me. He's gonna lick my face. I can't take it. Spare me the agency. Hey, he's over here, Chief. He's hiding behind the plant again. What did you do this time? Were you a bad doggy again? Leave him alone. Everybody makes mistake. I don't know what happened, Dogman, but everything will be okay. Go home and get some rest. Tomorrow is another day. Lick, lick. Rub, 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 rub. But then, flip, chunk. Wait me for me, ADHD. Wait me here for me, ADHD. Wait here for me, ADHD. Oh, hi, Dogman. How it's going, Rob? Oh no, it's little Petey missing again. We just saw him. He was with his nanny. What's wrong? Tell me. Okay, one word, one syllable. Do you have to pee? Second syllable. Are you drinking something? Coffee, tea? And the first syllable is P, and the second syllable is T. PT, PT, PD. Are you telling me that PD disguised himself as a nanny, and that he was mistakenly hired to babysit little PD, and at this very moment he may be planning something evil or pilot an act of corruption that may tear at the very fabric of our society. And even while we speak, little Petey may be drowned into this foulness, cause him to doubt his own true nature and carrying down a dark pathway toward the lifetime of Mystic Street 70. Is that what you're saying? Let's go save the world. This is where we just saw them. But, okay, Dogman, we're gonna go find Chief. You must find another way to get inside. Hey, so you thought you'd dig a tunnel into the studio, huh? Looks like you popped up in the wrong spot. Hey, come back here. When I get my hand on you, you're gonna wish you're never born. Come on and show your face, you filthy animal, you mangy mutt, you dumb jerk, you dirty old fleece bag. Yeah, chlorophyll crossing guard. Yeah, cheese-faced water buffalo. Yeah, goofy eyes stinker doodle. Whoa, clunk, hey. If I see that little headed cup again, there's gonna be big trouble. Chapter 7.